So I am Dipendra Thakuria, Dean of this college, College of Agriculture, Kidem Kulai. It is under one of the constituent college of Central Agriculture University, and which headquarter is at Imphal. So, and these gentlemen, they are coming, they are representing that Khasi Student Union, KSU.
Hadin ba kidkhot jong ka seng KSU kilio jingtip halor ka jingwan satre jong Henry bat nyongut kinong tre jong ka CAU na Imphal Manipur ha ka College of Agriculture ka badan ha Kerdem Kulai Riboy District bat lese kene kala ban longru da ka jingdan jong ki kenrum kenram hapo ka te ka jela bat omla ban tip kena yo ba ka jingwan tre jong ki te ki breu na Manipur ki badai na te ka ju ka sanat trekam jong ka te ka silam ai jing hikai ban wan tre ha kene ka jela Meghalaya ban pendap ya ki kam ki balaj ka bagani ka silam ai jing hikai kala depan perbna ba ki don kam ki balaj ki bagane ka college kam syam lapat penbana ya ka tarik interview hadu mentah halor kene ke jing artatin bat dag jing thumu ban yadai la ka jong gari na ka jingwan poi jong ki bru ki banabar hagi jika pule ki badan hapo ka jela ki dikhot jong seng KSU na North Khasi District Unit ha ka jingalam jong samla banjob maring ubri addiction secretary ka seng na gane district ha ka jingi don lang jong ki wi ki no yalam jong seng ki bakan thup yaw samla lambok rambai ubri vice president usamla Agos Nongbri ubri finance secretary usamla Toning Lapang ubri assistant education secretary lembat ki wi ki dikhot jong seng kilalej ban ya kendu yaw Klidu jong ke college, Profesor Dwi Pendra Thakuria, ubabat kumudin jong ke college, bantip ya ke sisa. Ha ketika jeng le ya kendu bat utiu he jong ke college, ulapan pau bat batai syai hakmat jong ki dekhot jong ka seng, ba kini ki Henry Mut ki balwan tre hak ke college, kidai ki bawan betik tang nak benta ka transfer jong ki ke balong nak benta lai benai. Bat hadin ke jingkut kita kelai benai kan amdon kono jing beteng bakin dang don hagane ke college bat ketika jing penbena ba ki don ki kam ki balaj ha po ke college ru ute udin jong ke college ulong basyan on sa penbena no ye ke trik ban khot interview.
So they actually visited the office of the dean of this college with a particular concern, and concern is that they wants to know that some people belong to a particular community, that Manipuri community, they came on transfer and settle in this college. That is their complaint, whether they are permanently come over here or are they going to stay. Such kind of some confusions are there, and they came, and then I would like to clarify all the matters. Already I have clarified to them that the clarification is said the ongoing conflict what is going on in Manipur, that our Central Agriculture University located in the main Imphal Valley. So some the people employee of Central Agriculture University, they belong to Kuki community. So there is some kind of life-threatening fears or such kind of fear is arises because of the riot. So as a temporary stopgap arrangement, so as we are also the constituent college of the university, so they have been transferred for a period of 3 months only. And once that situation in Imphal will be normalized, these people will again go back, and already I have shown their transfer order also. Here it is clearly mentioned that this is a temporary arrangement for a period of 3 months, and even pay everything will be drawn from their original post. That means it is from the Imphal college only. They will be drawing their salaries. So nothing to worry about the vacant position what is available in this College of Agriculture. These are still intact, and our authority is trying their level best to bring all the necessary advertisement, whatever vacant positions are there. Means mostly vacant positions, we are talking about non-teaching part, not the teaching part. Non-teaching part, whatever vacancy position, definitely university will take care, and advertisement they are trying their level best to bring as early as possible. And then with these words I like to clarify all the doubts, and this arrangement is purely temporary and nothing to worry about the blockage of position or something.
Mentakasngi nagaliang jongka Khasi Student Union North Khasi District Unit nila lembah jongka division cell nila wan hangne rekat bagi nongelam jongka district nado vice president jungi bat kui kini ilam district yuan ban mi ban kendu ki yaudin jongka neka College of Agriculture mengiwan kendu hangne galong ba habangi yu bat ngiliyo jingtip ba kidon hadu kumba ndreu nyungut kita ki nongtrei jongka CEU na te na po Impal na po Manipur ki wan kilayo ya kata transfer order banwan shane ane banwan tre hapo kaneka jaka hangni te ni nalan jongka seng hadin bangilio jengtip ya kane ngilawan ban kendu ya udin bapet ya kaneka jaka pulih hangni bat hadin bangile kendu badi keren batu kolong ba ula pensyai sengi ba kene kade betek tang na ka benta ka temporary order tani ka basipor ti batu ula ya keren syairu batu kolong ba hadin bakut ya kene lai benai extension ndai ban phak biang ki sebalik phai sepo ka jaka ka ba ki jutrei na kaliang ji keseng ni la ya keren batu bat kai kolong ba kini ki bawan na ente na po Manipur kide ban ngidei bentip kanungut kiwan bat kanu bat ki khun ki kti la ne kiwan tangki nongtrei dekat kum ka bat ki kiwan tangkum ki nongtrei la ne bat ki khun ki kti dekat kum ko bangi yo ban yakran badu kolong ba kidon ki bawan tangkumu nongtrei wan siman bat don ru ki bawan bat ka family tingle kran badu ba udeiru ban pentip syaka sarkar jela ya kene ke jingdon jom kini ki bawan thamai ba phat nang te na po Manipur bat ki bawan sene bat nagleang ji keseng kai ka ba kta susu bangi septing kalong ba hau ar hajar khandai ngai thu ipi ki don hadu pratli ki pos ki bala advertise sak to por bala khot yang ne jing thungkam kidon du pratli ki pos bat hadu menta ki klem le ya kanu no interview ni septing kalong ba yo kini ki breu ki ba nanti napo ga jela Manipur nda kilawan hangne nama kitip baga jela miklia gade ba syong sup syong san kabe kalong bangi ting yo kini ki pus kin jano kin tap da ta ki breu ki bawan nanti napo ga jela Manipur tingila ikran badu badula pensisharu ba yakini ki bawan menta nang te sini kadin tang bekut yakini kalai nai ki haban lek phaino bat yakini ki pus ki ba la khot hau ar hajar khat khandai un sa khot no hapo kine ar banai lai banai